Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome to my channel. So I've teamed up with Curls Curls again, but this time it's going to be a review on a wig and her name is Zoe. So inside of the package, I'm just showing you what it has. It has a pamphlet about the hair. It comes with my info. It comes with a strap. It comes with extra combs and extra clips. And it also comes with a wig cap. So taking it out the box, and this is what the hair looks like straight out the box. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. It has curly hair from roots to ends, and it has round curls at the very end. This is soft lace at the front, and it also has the two combs in the front. It has a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps are really durable. I have never had adjustable straps this durable before. They're usually like flimsy and really thin. These are not, which I absolutely love. And I'm just putting the wig on my head just to see how it fits, and I'm going to cut the lace off as well. The wig cap underneath is a little bit light for me, so I'm just going to put some concealer on that and then I will be good to go. So the hair itself already has pre-plucked baby hair, and the knots are lightly bleached, as you can see, which is a really good thing. So you really don't even have to do much manipulating to that if you don't have to. The only reason I am is because the wig cap is just a little bit light for me, but if you have the right color wig cap, then girl, you are absolutely fine. And I just want to show you guys, see, it looks so good. It really looks like my hairline. So I love that. So I am just putting some edge control on my edges and just laying them down really nice. And I'm just going to cut off a little bit more excess lace that doesn't need to be there. So y'all know I love my side parts, but the parting space on this wig is amazing. So you could part it anywhere that you like. If you want a middle part, you could do that. If you want a really deep side part, you could do that as well. The parting is 13 by 6, and also the density is 150%. The length is 16 inches and the cap size is medium. But y'all, that is basically it. Like, as soon as you take this hair out the box, you can go ahead and use it. Like, you don't need to do anything to it at all, except for if you want to put more concealer on your part or whatever. That is it. I've already gotten so many different compliments on this wig. It's absolutely amazing. The curls are gorgeous. It's not too thick, but it's thick enough. It's full. It's not heavy. It's absolutely amazing. I will leave all the information about this wig in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. I also have a coupon code for you guys as well, so that will be in the description box as well. This is from Curls Curls, so make sure you check out their website. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will definitely be giving y'all an update in a month on how this hair is. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all on the next video.